From the sky, it all looks still. The rows of stone, the shape of will. Steel and gravel, hard and clean. A quiet stage where work has been. The containers stand like sentinels, stacked with hope and old tool smells. Scars of storms, but strength below. This patch of earth continues to grow. Floating high above the ground, where sweat and silence make their sound. Every trail, every tree tells a story that belongs to we. From the beaver ponds to the workshop site, this land still breathes through day and night. A flash of green where the willows bend, a broken limb, a means to mend. Where the water slows and life collects, and time moves on with soft effects. Each gravel pad, each humble task tells more truth than some might ask. Built by hands that don't let go of roots of dreams, of all we know. Floating high above the ground, where sweat and silence make their sound. Every pond, every path draws the lines of the aftermath. From shipping steel to forest floor, this is our home, and so much more. Let the draw rise, let the lands be wide, let the viewer feel the pulse inside. It's not just land, it's years and grace. In every corner, a sacred place. So drift on by, just take it in. The work, the scars, the quiet wind. From the sky, it may look small, but it's the heart that built it all. From the beaver's dam to the gravel line, this is our world, this land of mine. Up in the air, the world below, the homestead hums in a summer glow. The fields are green, the sun burns bright, long days of work and golden light. The gardens stretch beneath the heat, the buzz of bees, the crops so sweet. The food forests bloom with silent pride, in summer's grip so wild and wide. Flying over our homestead in July, the haze of heat beneath the sky. From the rows of corn to the shady trees, the dance of summer in every breeze. Flying high where the hawks might be, our homestead below is home to me. Reflects the burning sun, the turtles rest and herons run. The gravel paths went through the land, built by sweat and steady hands. The fruit trees sway with heavy load, branches bent by blessings bestowed. Each patch of soil, each growing row tells the story of seeds we sow. Flying over our homestead in July, the haze of heat beneath the sky. From the rows of corn to the shady trees, doors wide, the fan spins slow, a break from toil where breezes blow. Though the sun beats down and shadows fade, we carry on in the heat we've made, flying over our homestead in the sun. A life of labor, but a life well won. From the buzzing fields to the pond still edge, we live this dream on summer's ledge, flying high above all we see. Our homestead below is where we're free. As the sun sinks low in the amber haze, we rest at last from the longest days. But up in the air forever I'll see our home in summer where we're meant to be. Up in the sky, I'm soaring high. The drone hums a tune as it starts to fly over the pond where the water's clear, reflecting the colors of this time of year. The trees are ablaze with red, gold, and green, a beautiful canvas, the best I've seen. The new pond below, calm and bright, and the beaver ponds glisten in the soft daylight. Flying over the land, over water so still, the colors of fall give my heart a thrill. From the trees to the ponds, it's nature's art. On this beautiful day, it fills my heart. The beavers are worked through the night and day, building their homes in the old-fashioned way. Their ponds stretch wide, like mirrors they gleam, part of this landscape, a living dream. The hills in the distance, dressed in fall's hues, orange and amber against skies of blue. Everywhere I look, the view's so grand, captured by the drone, guided by my hand. Flying over the land, over water so still, the colors of fall give my heart a thrill. From the trees to the ponds, it's nature's art. On this beautiful day, it fills my heart. I circle back, take one last view of the pond side fresh with skies so blue. The work of seasons, the flow of time, all captured in this peaceful climb. Flying over the land, over water so still, the colors of fall give my heart a thrill. From the trees to the ponds, it's nature's art. On this beautiful day, it fills my heart. As the drone glides home through the autumn air, I'm left in awe of the beauty there. The pond, the trees, the world below, in the fall they put on their greatest show.
Son, I've seen a lot of suns rise and set, a lot of seasons come and go, and I've watched folks tie themselves in knots over words that just ain't worth the show. Used to be I'd jump right in the fray, defend my name or state my case, but all that did was drain my day, left me with a bitter, empty space. So let an old man tell you now, it's best to turn and walk away. Let their sharp words drift and sway like leaves on a windy autumn day. No need to argue, no need to fight. When disrespect starts to take hold, find your peace in the fading light, a story better left untold. The urge to bite, to make them see the foolishness of their careless ways. It whispers loud, I know, believe me, through all the noise of hurtful days. But what's the use in feeding strife? Just watch the drama grow and grow. You choose how you're gonna live your life, where seeds of quiet freedom sow. So let an old man tell you now, it's best to turn and walk away. Let their sharp words drift and sway like leaves on a windy autumn day. No need to argue, no need to fight. When disrespect starts to take hold, find your peace in the fading light, a story better left untold. Your spirit's a precious thing, boy, not to be wasted on their show. A simple truth, a quiet joy, where gentle breezes softly blow. Seek out the calm, the tranquil shore, far from the chaos they create. Close that door forevermore on arguments that only grate. So let an old man tell you now, it's best to turn and walk away. Let their sharp words drift and sway like leaves on a windy autumn day. No need to argue, no need to fight. When disrespect starts to take hold, find your peace in the fading light, a story better left untold. Walk away, son, walk away to your peaceful place every single day. Find your saving grace.